Hello, I'm in a 2013 BMW 550i, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your language settings between English, Spanish, or French. So first you want to make sure the vehicle is on, which it currently is. And once this all loads, we're going to use all these options to toggle. So your menu, your scrolling, to select, and to go back if you need to go back. So from your menu, which is this button here, we'll just go down to settings and then push enter. So I scrolled and then enter. And then in settings, I'll go up one to language units, push again. And then from here, language, and I'm pushing enter here. We'll say we want Spanish, enter. And that's it, it just auto updates everything. So back to menu. So obviously I speak English, so we're gonna adjust this idioma, this language, from Spanish back to English. And then same process if it's French, and it's all the same buttons, all controlled with this. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.